How's it going, everyone? As you can see, it is right at 6:30, about 15 degrees with wind chill down around 4. But Maddie and I are loaded up. We have got some coffees and we are headed right into the smack dab heart of the Ozarks. Gonna be doing the Glory Hole Falls hike today. Done it once in the past, last like April or May, but today it is gonna be different. We are hoping to catch it at the elusive, fully frozen waterfall. I got about an hour and a half drive left, so we'll see y'all when we get out there. Yeah, walk to the right, so that's a lot easier. That's like straight ice going down the middle. Maddie and I have successfully made it to the trail. It's about a 2-mile trek in and out, but as you can see, it is an icy one out. It's definitely in the negatives with wind chill right now, but we're big chilling. Also, if you're new to the channel, this is your first time watching, my name is Morgan. This is my wife, Maddie. And our home base is currently in Arkansas, and we have free time. We like to get out and about and adventure, so this is my way of kind of documenting that, taking y'all along with it, and showing y'all what Arkansas has to offer. For now, we are weekend warriors, and this is how we're spending it. Like I was saying, only about a 2-mile trek in and out, so I'm gonna go ahead and get down here, see this frozen waterfall, and see y'all in a bit. No, I just almost. Look, that was not intentional at all. It's just so pretty with snow.
That rock moved.
Alright, so about 3/4 of a mile in, you come up to this little fork. You can either go that way and head straight to the Glory Hole Fall, or you can go this way and go down to the creek bed and see another little waterfall. So you already know that's what we're opting to do. Yeah? Goodness, you got frost all over the place. Alright, it was quite interesting making it down to the first little waterfall with there being snow and ice all over the place, but I will say 100% worth it. Got a little ice skate back here. This thing is freaking sweet, but not even the main attraction. So gonna continue on and see y'all once we get down to the actual Glory Hole Falls. Sorry, I cannot hit anything back here. not too much further till we get to the actual glory hole fall, but I will say, if y'all do this and opt to go down, follow the creek bed all the way till you get there. Don't go back up to the main trail. Definitely worth staying down by the creek. Make a different way. So if you choose to follow the creek bed down, you come right along here, come up to these rocks. I think the GoPro got that, but I am definitely not taking a chance on walking up to the edge right now. Most of the time you can walk over there right to it, but yeah, as you can see, it is a slick mess right now. So, gonna walk back to the main trail, hike around and down, and get to the frozen waterfall. See y'all down there. Maddie and I have made it down to the falls, and this is wild. We came, we saw, we conquered. Definitely a bucket list hike Maddie and I's knocked off for Arkansas. Would 10 out of 10 recommend getting down here if you can when the fall is frozen. Not very often it happens, so probably won't happen again this year, to be honest. Anyways, made it down here without any wipeouts, so gonna try to get back to the car same way. See y'all back at the car. Trail was a hot commodity today. I'm glad that Maddie and I got here early to do it. And this is why. Definitely worth getting up at the crack of dawn, getting out here and doing the hike. Now it is 11 a.m. and we've got the rest of the day to do whatever we want. And honestly though, all we're probably gonna do once we get home is take the doggos on a walk and then take a fat power nap. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Till next time, peace.